Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to enable screening of incoming calls on iPhone. Now this is actually going to help you to avoid unnecessary call or probably a spam call coming to your phone. Without wasting much of your time, let me go ahead and show you how to do this. Now the first thing you need to do is to scroll down to your phone and then go to your settings, and then on the settings area you click on apps. Then from apps you select phone. So from the phone area you are going to scroll and you notice where it says turn on screen incoming calls. Now you are going to select the option that says screen incoming calls. Then you enable the toggle icon so that it's going to be active. Now once this is active, it's going to be in green color, just like so. So after this, whenever you are receiving a call, it's going to probably screen the incoming call to confirm if that is coming from a genuine person before it is actually going to be ringing on your end. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.